Ayan, okay. Okay.
First tournament for the year. We're starting the hole. Sa 10th hole, I am playing with friends Jong and also BJ. So this is just a friendly tournament, birthday tournament ni Mao, our group here in Navy. Yeah, so playing with Jong. Good luck, brother. Good luck, Jong. Good luck, BJ. Yan. Okay, bablog natin yung round. Then this hole, it's playing 130 yards. Currently walang hangin, so might hit a pitching wedge. Bueno, kaliba.
Shot.
Kasi kung ano, kung pwede,
Fade, fade. Baba, down. Ako na maglinya. Guys, out, Jong. Good shot. Okay, so I am 8 paces uphill. Right edge lang bigay mo dito, Rose?
Yes, sir.
Right edge. +1. Na firm?
Opo.
Okay. Tutok na lang sa kanila. Kasi natitira. Okay na yan? That's good. Good putt. Pasok. Uy. That's good, brother. Ang pinakamagandang lalaki sa Navy. Ayun, no? Ang aking idol, Tata. Morning, brother. Morning, idol. Second hole. Hole number 11. 295 yards. Subukan lang mag-course management with a 7-iron. Currently, even par. Shout out din pala sa aking caddy. Hi, Rose! Ang aking caddy today. First tournament namin ni Rose. Tsaka first time niya mag-caddy. Sa akin. Okay, panalo tayo. Ganda ng draw. Perfect. Tama na, tama na. Okay lang, safe. Tama na. Okay, I am left with 95 yards to the flag. Malakas na against the wind. Pero okay lang naman, short dito kesa long. So I'm hitting a 60-degree wedge. And just tutok mo lang. Kanan! Ano ba yan? Open! Ganda naman ng padrone na yun! Wow! Sobra lang! Nice shot, Jong! Head short, 17 yards to the flag. One grip sa kanan. Mabagal uphill. Pasok! Uy, sayang. Tama, di ba? May isang grip to sa kanan.
Yes, sir.
Mabagal. Ang laki naman sa kanan. BJ for par. Ganda, BJ. Uy, tuturuan mo pa ako. Teacher. Jong for birdie. Hindi, bababa yan. Ay, oo nga. Kumbaga kung hindi ka confident na. Uy.
Spar.
Tama ka, pwede nga. Hole number 12. It's only playing 150 yards. And it is downwind. Currently, I'm even par. I might be hitting a, most likely, a 9-iron. Fade pa. Sige pa. Okay yan, safe yan. Patong pa nga ata eh. Uy, tama na, tama na, tama na. Okay, safe, safe. Wala walang tao.
4-4.
I have this birdie putt. 8 paces. A cup and a half sa right. Uphill tayo, no? Up, down.
Up, down.
Up, down. So tirang 8 lang din. Regular lang. Ang hina din. Uy! That's good, that's... Lakas. Ganun na girl, replay din.
Nice par.
Hole number 13, first par 5, 489 yards. Currently still even par. Turn, turn. Okay. Sumabit pa. Go ahead. 4 for left. Layo niyan, Jong. Kumaliwa.
Shot. Go. Tayo.
Okay, second shot. Playing 183 yards. I will try to go for it. Hitting a 6 iron. Right. Very difficult ball placement, landed over the green, right to left, pero extreme downhill, 20 yards to the flag. Still thinking if I should nip it or regular na tira. Sabi ni Rose, doon daw sa may dahon. Okay, doon ang linya, pero hindi doon ang bagsak, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Bago yun.
Before lang yung dahon.
Okay.
Stop.
11 paces, mabagal, uphill. May isang grip.
Isang bola lang, sir.
Isang bola lang. Pero sobrang bagal to eh, no? Firm talaga.
Medyo mabagal.
Right, baba mo naman ito. Grabe, ang hina pa rin. Hindi ko nabomba ko na yun. Pasok. Uy, bumali sa dulo. That's good, brother. Nahina.
Yung sa may bola niya, sir.
Oo, right inside na. No?
Nice par.
Muntik pa! Right, hole number 14. Still even par. Fun hole. Longest drive. Ang layo ng longest drive. Tsaka gitnang gitna. Yan, may chance yan.
Good.
Kung maliwala sa over the bunker yan.
Kanan.
Yang unfortunately went to the right. Need to punch out around 60 yards. I am left with 166 yards to the flag. Hopefully hindi maging factor yung mga trees in front. Hopefully I can fly over it. Medyo with the wind yung hangin, so I might hit a, considering 9 or maybe an 8 iron. Decided to hit a 9 iron, pero back pin, bahala na. Kailangan lang good contact. Sobra pa rin. Wala. Ha? Isang grip. Mabilis ba yan? Doon sa pababa na. 17 yards to the flag. left to right. Ay, bumali ka agad. Okay na yun, Joe? That's good, brother. Good out, Turney. Good out. I have this putt for par. It's 3 paces uphill, right edge na firm. Hina pa rin.
Nice par.
Okay, hole 15, 442 yards. Still even par. Naku, ngayon ako. Muli mo na yan, brother. Sure.
Muligan ako.
Pero hirap na, nakakatakot.
High shot?
4! 4! 4! Stop turning! Naku, kapuluan. Stop turning, stop turning. Okay, safe yan. Ah, fairway nga, ang ganda. Not to take my medicine, my tee shot went off to the right. So just laying up here, mga around 15-20 yards. Hitting a pitching wedge. Chip.
Nice out.
Left with 167 yards to the flag. Hitting an 8 iron. Ganda yata yan.
Shit. Wow.
Naka-birdie na tayo. Ganda. Maganda na, attorney. Ay, sobra lang. Sobrang galing. Yung shot. Lakas na. LED na lang. Yung first hole.
Ay, nako, bumaba pa. Uy, saan bumaba?
Baba. Stop.
Stop. Bigmilis doon eh.
Stop. Okay. I have this putt for birdie. Tingin ko a cup and a half sa right. Slightly uphill. Need to putt this firm. First chance for birdie. Ganda, Jong. Ay! Ay! Sabi ko.
Kasalanan.
Uy, bumali.
Tama, yes, siya nga pala si ano.
Sa basketball talaga, hindi sa golf. Hole number 16, playing 110 yards, hitting 56 degree. Still currently even par. Kanan. Cart putt. Huwag ka mag-cart putt.
Yun, hole in one. Hole in one.
Huli. Uy!
Ay, over. Sakto yung linya.
Sobra naman. Ang ganda ng linya. 17 paces for birdie. Ang layo. Right to left, no?
Yes, sir. Right. Pababa.
Mga kalahating patter. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
17. Kung 17 minus 2, isang grip sa kanan. Ano allowance bigay mo? Mga minus 2, minus 3.
Minus 2.
Nice spot. Mark ba, Mark?
Sayang, hindi pa pumasok.
Okay, at least par pa rin.
Galing naman talaga.
Par pa rin. Mahina, attorney. May lay. Go! Go! Mabagal talaga ngayon na, Jong. Regular na ano, sakto yun. Kung last week. Okay, that was still a good par. 2-putt par. Okay. So, hole 17, pot money nito nasa 170 plus na. 1,000 pesos. It's playing 183 yards. Pero malakas yung downwind. So, I'm considering either 8 or 7 iron. Ganda yan, attorney. Patong yan. Patong yan. Good shot. On the green. Good shot. Eh, maganda. Nag-withdraw. Parang safe naman. Linya ng bunker. Over pa. Tuturuan pa tayo, ano? Jong. Isang grip lang yan? Hindi ganun kalaki yan? $15 paces for birdie. Right to left side hill. Bahala na, hindi ko alam. +1? Mga +2 ano? +2.
Yes, sir.
Sobrang feeling ko binomba ko na yan. Sobrang bagay. Yan! Ganda! Uy, nabitin pa! Oo nga, edge lang for par. Right edge. Umali sa dulo. Di bumali! Di bumali, binilinya ko talaga eh. Okay lang. Unfortunate first bogey of the rounds. I'm currently 1 over. Hole 18. Forced layup. Par 4. 380 yards. Might hit a pitching wedge with the wind. Oh, behind. Go! Stop turning. For right. $220 yards to the flag. Downwind, front pin. I'll be hitting a 4 iron. Kanan pa, sige pa, kanan pa. Tama na. Bunker kaya? Umabot, Billy? Parang hindi. Okay, butil lang. As expected, landed short of the green. 30 yards to the flag. Left to right, mabilis. Try to nip a 60-degree wedge. Ang hina naman, Luigi. Woo! I have this to save par. Maliit lang sa kaliwa, no? Halos isang cup lang. Pero pataas, mabagal. Ay. That's good, brother. That's good, John. So, just a recap. Front going now to the front 9, second 9. That's a good start sa back. I'm just currently 2 over for the tournament. Sayang, nag-3-putt ako sa 17. Then, silly mistake sa 18 with a nip. Mali yung tansya ko. I was aiming for 25 yards na nip, pero ginawa ko 15. So, yeah. So, looking forward. Sana dito mas mahirap kasi yung front 9. Hopefully, I can continue the good round. And so, starting the second 9 of the tournament. Hole number 1. 471 yards. hindi ko na siya tatawirin ngayon. Kumbaga the risk, not worth the risk muna kasi it's still against the wind. So I'm hitting a 4 iron lang to lay up. Stop turning, not too much. Okay na yata, safe fairway. Ayan, safe.
Ayun. Grabe. Kunti na wid. Oh. Kunti na wid, nandun na. Tawid na.
Playing 230 yards. I will see, going for the hero shot, hitting my hybrid.
Ay. Sa may ano yata.
Bunker, no? Parang may makita akong bumagsak eh. Unfortunately, tumama sa puno and went to the bunker. 40 yards to the flag. I think this is left to right. One of the more difficult shots in golf. Hitting a 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Yards, landed short of the green, left to right. Mahigit isang grip to, no? Mabagal ba yan? Regular. Thank you. Okay. Go! Parang bitin pa rin, no? Ang bagal talaga ngayon, no? Pasok. Nice putt. Lab putter. Good up and down. Good putt. Good putt. Hole number 2. Handicap 1. 447 yards. Currently still 2 over. Ganda niyan. Turn. Hindi nag-draw. Okay na yan, brother. Ganda niyan.
Doon lang yun.
Turn. Yan, maganda yan.
Ganda.
Went to the right, kabilang butas. I just need to take my medicine and pitch again. Chip, punch out with a pitching wedge dito. Mga tirang 30 lang, ano? Magulong naman.
Yes, sir.
30-20. Okay. Say na tayo dyan. I am left with 100, almost 140 to the flag. With the wind, hitting a pitching wedge to go up and down, hopefully for a par. Dasal ka na, Rose! Para pa. Gulat ka. Kaliwat ako, sir.
Yes, sir. Nice shot.
Hindi, par yan. Punch out yan. Ganda. Kaliwa yan. Left inside lang yan? Walang bali ito masyado. Pero plus 2. Plus 2, plus 1. Plus 1 na firm. Na firm.
Opo.
Left inside lang.
Opo, sir.
Ina, Luigi. Walang chance. Pasok. Parang short pa yun. Parang binomba mo na yun. That's good, bro. That was sayang yung up and down. I'm now 3 over. hole 13, sorry, hole 13. Hole number 3, playing 181 yards. Wind is to the right. 180 yards. I might hit a 7 iron na lang siguro. Ganda! Kunin mo na yung hole in one.
Hole in one.
Kunin mo na!
Go! Ay, hinangin.
Go! Bounce! Sige pa!
Go!
Baba! Go! Ganda ng linya. Sa ganda yan! Yung taga... Nag-ingat na.
Ayun. Huli.
That was a terrible tee shot. I felt open yung palo. Sana maka up and down for par. 95 yards to the flag, hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Diretso na ba to?
Yes, sir.
Bye! Hinangin! 16 paces. Right to left to, ano, Rose?
Yes, sir. Pero maliit na.
Maliit lang.
Parang mabagal. Kapal.
Parang downhill dito sa harap natin pero paakyat na all throughout, no? Mga 17 plus 1. Plus 1 na firm pa rin.
Yes, sir.
Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan bigay mo? Isang grip? Kalating grip? O kalating brief? Brief? Eh, medium lang, hindi large. Pero bola. Nahina.
Hina naman lagi.
Pero okay lang doon pala. Sakto na lang din. Never short! Ah, okay. That's good. Hole number 4. I am now 4 over. Playing 324 yards. Dog leg left. Balik, 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 balik.
Safe mo lang.
Balik. Parang lumabas.
High shot.
Okay, very unfortunate break. My tee shot kicked to the right. So I need to punch out this area. Pero mahirap to kasi ang punch ko kumakaliwa. So hopefully anywhere before the green. Basta huwag lang mag-bunker.
Ay!
Far!
Ay!
Bogey. Doon pa rin ba? Sa may buhangin pa rin?
Isang grip lang.
Isang grip lang sa kanan. Mabagal?
Regular.
Regular lang. Sabi. A very unfortunate hole. Tumama sa cart path. Bad break. Okay, hole number 5. Currently, I am at 6 over. This is playing mga 115 yards siguro to the flag against the wind. Might hit either a 50 or 56. Sige pa, draw pa. Ay, nakin na. Tinangay ng hangin.
Lakas ng hangin.
Against?
Lakas ng hangin.
Yes, sir.
Ako nga, ayoko rin. Wala na eh.
Ayun ka ba, bro?
Hangin din yan.
Grabe nga. Yan, pwede yan.
Sakto yan.
Patong yan.
Pero inahangin talaga eh.
Oo.
Ano yata bukas sa...
We are battling the winds. Grabe, against. So I landed short of the green. I'm still 27 yards to the flag. Left to right. Medyo regular lang yung speed. Gano'n kalaki sa kanan bigay mo dyan? Isang grip lang. Ang bilis. Regular lang.
Regular lang, sir.
Kung 30, tirang mga 20.
Yes po. Stop.
Bilis pa rin ah. Okay, BJ for another birdie chance. First if ever for the group. Mahina! Mahina pa rin. Yun, pasok! Par mo, baby! Ako, bumuka. Bogi pa. Bumuka. No? I can't stop the bleeding. Still another bogey. I'm now at 7 over. Okay, so hole number 6, 343 dog leg left. Experiment. 4. Yan, okay yan, maganda yan.
Ay.
Draw. Nag-draw.
Parang bumal.
Grabe, Nev. Ngayon lang nag-draw yung bola ko ulit. What a time to do it. Okay, so I just need to punch out mga 100 pa mahigit eh, di ba? Okay. Punch draw na. Grabe na talaga yung gulong ngayon. This is to go up and down for a par. A little. Kaliwa lang to ng konti rose, di ba? Maliit na maliit sa kaliwa. 37 yards to the flag. I will try to nip it.
Dikit.
Hindi pala. Matik pa. Kuha! Kuha!
Nice!
Kasalanan ng marker natin yun.
Oo nga eh.
Umagal eh.
Yun, nakuha. Ang bitin pa rin. Yun! Nice putt, Tony. Let's see what you're made of, Luigi. I am now 8 over. Hole number 7. 327 yards. Dog leg right. Course management with a 6 iron. Uy, angat. Naku. Four! Ayun, sa kanila tumama. Fairway, brother. Gitnang-gitna.
Yun, kanda. Kanda, grabe.
50 na lang. Okay, left with 121 yards against the wind. Hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Bite.
Ganun din na bola rin. 24 yards to the flag. Malit. Kaliwa to eh, di ba?
Diretso mo sa.
Diretso. Tapos sobrang bilis na ito eh, di ba?
Opo.
Okay, subukan natin kung ninip natin. Hindi. Tama na, please.
Stop. Oh.
Kumagat. Uphill. Nice spot. Okay, hole number 8. We are now, grabe, I'm now at 9 over na. Mas mahirap yung front ngayon, ang lakas ng hangin. This is playing 142 yards. Pero grabe against the wind. I'll be hitting a 9 iron.
Four!
Shit. Ay.
Patong.
Fade. Diba? Parang lahat ng grip party ni regulation mo. Nice one. Lahat patong. Lahat patong. Pasok mo, birdie. Ay. That's good. Okay, bigay mo left edge lang, ano? Left edge 9 paces regular. Kahit uphill. Come on, one decent birdie. Wala nang pupuntahan, Luigi. Okay, hole number 9. Still at par to break 80.
Pesos na yun, na sa atin sobrang laki. Hindi niya
Barya.
Yung isa parang public, pwedeng public. Yung isa parang
private na. Si Siri, kung ano-ano
Stop turning. Oh. Siri. Fade. Ay, sumabit pa. Okay lang. Mas maganda nga eh.
napaganda nga eh.
Medyo nag-kick right eh. Oh, taka okay lang. Fairway na fairway.
Napaganda.
Good shot.
Oo.
Four. Tama na.
Stop.
Okay.
Yan.
Uy!
Bumangker.
Okay lang.
Ay!
Open. Go! Ay. Challenge for myself to at least par this hole para naman break 80 pa din. Okay, just laying up. Lay up naman din talaga gagawin ko dito. So with a 7 iron. Need to punch out. Mga tirang 50, no? Pwede.
Yes sir, 40 ka na.
Umangat naman. Kanina kasi masyado umangat naman. Playing terrible. Playing 4. 192 yards to the flag. Hitting a 5 iron. Come on, finish strong lang, Luigi.
Balik.
Went over 32 yards to the flag. Anong bigay mo dito, Rose? Kaliwa? Kanan, ano? 32. Medyo mabilis yan, ano?
Opo.
Okay. For bogey. 9 paces. Maliit sa right. Maliit right to left. Gano'n kalaki sa kanan bigay mo?
Lahating butas.
Kalahating butas. Tapos regular lang.
Opo.
Namatay? No? Namatay dito.
Mabagal. Sa kanya.
Uy! Nag-lip out pa!
Nice one.
Yun! Good round, brother. Good round, good round. Brother, good round, good round. What a tale of two nines. Grabe, I ended the second nine super bad. Parang I bogeyed every hole. So I ended with 11 over. Yeah. The mouse tournament ended with 9 overs sa front, 2 overs sa back, 81. Malas. Sayang.
Yung tournament rules natin, merong team event at meron tayo individual. Okay? Modified stableford. So yung team composition, si Team Luigi. Team Luigi is composed of Luigi Malari, Ariel San Pedro, Patrick Desini, Francis Bautista, Roy D, June Batas.